Hello and good morning. It's 7:07 a.m. I'm leaving early. I'm going to pick up Richard. We're headed up to the Radio Museum located at AB Tech up in Asheville. Let's go. I'm up here on Interstate 26, and if you look at it, looks like we might have some rain later today, I think. I don't know. The temperature is 70 degrees. I'm off the highway here, heading over to pick up Richard. A little foggy-ish here this morning. I think it'll all lift out. It should look okay today. Hey, look at the apples. Yeah, this is a oddity. Richard here in the morning. What time is it, Richard? 8:15. You normally are in bed.
To be out.
Well, we found it. This is the Asheville Hamfest here at the museum. We'll check it out here. This is the AWA swap meet here in Asheville, Antique Wireless Association. As you can tell, lots of old gear, some amateur stuff. Everybody's out here selling all their old antique stuff. Let's have a look. See some of the cooler pieces here. This is the Antique Wireless Association, Asheville, North Carolina Hamfest. Everybody waving. Yeah, it's a good turnout. Everybody bringing all their antique radios. We're just leaving AB Tech and the Antique Wireless Association swap meet. A lot of good little radios from the past. Very cool. We're headed over to get some breakfast. Richard, what'd you think of that Hamfest?
Actually, I enjoyed it. A lot of nice people there and some rigs I'd never seen.
Yeah, there was some really interesting AM stuff there, especially that blue Spartan.
Feet, turn left onto Meadow Road.
We are heading to breakfast. Man, it was a good day. Went up and checked out the Antique Wireless Association Hamfest. Checked out the museum there at AB Tech. It's very cool. And came down and had a little lunch. Went over to Richard's house. Our buddy Jerry came over. Had a good time today. On the way home now. I'm not sure the arrival percentage, but it won't be far. I think we're maybe 12 miles from the house here. But all in all, it was a good day. And of course, running autopilot as usual here on the highway. What a nice day. Man, the weather was nice. It's 82 degrees now here down where I live. Let's have a look at this. I've driven 102 miles today, 29 kilowatt hours, and an average of 279. That's kind of stock here for the long-range Model Y. 39%, we left at 80, so it looks like about 41% today. I spent time with Jerry and Richard and all the folks at the Antique Wireless Association swap meet. I went even into the museum. It was pretty cool. If you like today's video, give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and pass my videos on to a friend. Don't forget to use my Tesla referral link here shown at the bottom of the screen. I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.